Bestie, are you always feeling tired? Or your mood suddenly changes? Or your period is behaving anyhow? Or you are losing or gaining weight even when you not change your diet? My brothers and sisters, your hormone might be trying to tell you something. So in this video, we are going to be looking at 8 signs of hormonal imbalance and how we can actually support our hormone. First of all, what is hormone? Hormone are chemical messengers in our body. They control your sleep, your mood, your reproductive health, your fertility, your period, and even your skin. Now, once your hormones are balanced, your body feels normal, your body behaves normal. But if your hormones are not balanced, your body will start sending warning signals. It start telling you that something is actually wrong somewhere. But the problem here is that people usually ignore the signs. They always take action when it's now complicated. So what are the common signs of hormonal imbalance? Hi besties, I welcome you all back to my channel, and I say special hello to my amazing subscribers. And if you are new here, I'm Ruth Somtochukwu by name, and in this channel I share health and awareness, both men and women health, that will help you live the best of your life. So if this is what you want, you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips coming your way. I without wasting much of your time, grab your popcorn and let's get started. The first sign of hormonal imbalance is constant weakness. If you're always weak, even after taking a rest, you wake up, you are tired, small activities stress you. It may be a sign that your thyroid hormone and stress hormone are not balanced. Most people feel that it's just normal stress life, not knowing that it is their hormone. Then the second is unexplained weight changes. You didn't change your meal, you didn't change your routine, but your body keeps changing. It may be linked to insulin, estrogen, and thyroid imbalance. So if your body keeps confusing you, if you start noticing any abnormal changes in your body, like either losing or gaining weight without any reasons, please check your hormone. And the third is mood swing and anxiety. You are happy, but suddenly you become sad. You feel anxious for no reason. Small things irritate you. It can be that your estrogen and progesterone are not balancing well. So you're not overreacting. It just simply means that your body chemical is involved. The fourth is irregular period. Now, if your period comes too late, or it comes too early, or it comes too heavy, or your period misses sometimes, even when you're not pregnant, please don't hesitate to seek medical attention immediately. It simply means that your hormones are not balanced. Then the fifth is low sex drive. If you're a man or a woman and you're losing interest in intimacy with your partner, or you're a man and you don't last long on bed with your partner, or you're having low libido, it can be a sign that your testosterone is not balanced. So if you're a man and you may be wondering what can actually boost my sperm count, in this video I listed fruits that can actually help to support your sperm count and or to boost your sperm count. So you can check the link in the description button to learn more, because hormone plays a big role in desire. So please, if you're experiencing any of these, don't hesitate to seek medical attention immediately. Then the sixth is sleep problem. If you're always finding it very difficult to sleep, or you wake up every morning and you're feeling tired, it can be a sign that your melatonin is imbalanced. Melatonin is the hormone that controls sleep. It is the hormone that tells your body, oh my dear, it is time to sleep. So if you are struggling to sleep, it can be a sign that your melatonin is not balanced. And the seventh is skin and hair changes. Adult acne, hair thinning, facial hair growing unexpectedly. It can be a sign that your estrogen and androgen are not balanced, because your hair and skin reflect your inner health. And lastly is bloated stomach or digestion problem. If you are experiencing stomach discomfort, or you're experiencing constipation or bloating, it can be a sign that your hormone is not balanced, because digestion problem can be hormonal. So how can we actually support our hormone? The easiest way for us to support our hormone is 1. Eating of natural food. Don't joke with natural food though. You see food like vegetables, fruits, all this natural food, please don't joke with it. Second is reduce the intake of sugar, because sugar can also contribute to hormonal imbalance. So please reduce the intake of sugar. Third is drink a lot of water. Fourth is sleep at least 7 hours in a day. Fifth is exercise regularly. And lastly is reduce stress. So all these are the easiest way or natural way we can actually help to support our hormone. And please, if you're noticing any abnormal signs in your body, please don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Don't joke with your health. Always seek medical attention immediately because health is wealth. So besties, we have come to the end of this video. If you're experiencing hormonal imbalance or you have experienced it before, you can drop your experience in the comment section. Let's learn and support each other. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips coming your way. And share this video to help someone out there. And as always, see you all in my next video. Bye bye.